Can we take a minute for these curls, please? Like, oh my gosh, look at this. You can't tell me I did not slay this install. And if you want to see how I got this, stay tuned. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? So I'm using Treseeme holding spray to push back my edges so they will not be getting in the way when I'm putting the glue on my forehead to lay the wig. So you'll just see me here. I'll be doing the same thing, pushing it back, using the cool setting on the blow dryer to make sure everything lay flat and neat. You'll be seeing me putting on the stocking cap. I don't do the ball head method because I just don't like it. So this is the old stocking cap I had that I used before. I'm just reusing it, and I'm going to touch it up with some foundation that is darker than my complexion because the darker the better. I personally find it looks better. So you'll just see me doing this step here in order to put the glue down for the wig. So now it's time to lay down the glue. I am using a Shein glue that I found on Shein for like $4, and guys, it's absolutely amazing. You don't need to spend a ton of money on glue, especially if you're like me and don't wear wigs for more than a week. So this is the first layer I'll be putting. I find when I was putting this first layer on, I find like I put too much glue on it. So I was kind of like trying to spread it out because you don't want the glue too thick, because when it's too thick, then it don't melt clear, and you want it to melt clear because you don't want the white residue under your lace. So here I am just trying to spread it out and lay it as flat as possible in order for it to dry clear. I installed 3 layers in total, and this is the wig I'll be using to reinstall today. This is my absolute favorite wig, and here I'm just trying to position it on my head so it will lay flat, and I always go piece by piece. So I start to the middle, and then I go from one end, make sure it's laying down flat, and then I go to the other end and I do the same thing. So guys, just be a little patient because I sped up these parts so it will be faster just for YouTube, but I am taking my time, and you're just gonna hold it in and make sure that glue is going all in. Now we don't always get the ears with the glue, so what it is I'm going to do is the same amount of layers I use to hold on the wig is the same amount of layers I'll be doing on the ear tabs here, just so it will hold down, because you don't want the edges raising up. That is very embarrassing. And of course, your gear was listening to some jam and moving and grooving, and here we go. Put on the next layer on. So after secure the lace, the next step is to put my melting band on to soak up all that juice from the glue. So here I am putting it on, make sure it's melting, and now I'm taking it off because we need to go on to the other step to use my Ebin holding spray to hold it down. So I'm just taking away all the flyaways and make sure I'm separating the baby hair from the actual wig. Guys, I know this looks crazy, like how the baby hair is just sticking out, but just trust the process, please. We got to trust the process. Now I'm going in with my Ebin absolute best is the black bottle, and I'm just going it and making sure it's even, not putting too much because I don't want to overdo the product because you want your wig to last. And when you put too much, therefore after a couple of days it's going to start to look cakey. And then I'm going in with my melting band once again to secure the lace. So this is me trying to fix my edges because guys, I am not an edges kind of girl. So I really try my best. All my installs will be without edges, and I said, you know what? This is the only wig I have with edges. So I said, let me install this. And here I'm using mousse to sweep down my edges because I don't like it laying flat on my forehead. I kind of like the fluffy effect. So I'll be laying it down and just doing over the same process on each side to make sure it lay down properly. I was so over these edges because oh my gosh, it was trying. It was really trying. But it was late in the night and I needed to sleep because I had school the next morning. So you'll see me tying down my hair to go to bed. Securing the lace, securing the wig, and good night. Good morning. Listen, overnight melt is the best because look at that. Where's the lace? Tell me, where is the lace? Where is the lace, guys? Where is the lace? Show me. So now I'm going to style my hair. So you can just watch me while I work now on styling this wig. And guys, this is my go-to look. I love this look. Like, this is my everyday look. I absolutely love it. Yes, mama. The curls is curling. Oh my gosh. I love when my curls come out exactly how I want it. And look at that. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Thank you for watching this install video. I would like you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please share. I would love to see what you guys think of this install. And please subscribe to see more content like this. Have a good one.